Hello everyone. I have decided to record a quick session just so we can kind of review the things that we need to have prepared for our classes. First of all, please note that we have the attendance link, which is going to be at the beginning of each class period this week, but starting next week, I'm going to want you to go ahead and just use the one that I have over here on the left side of the page. Okay, so please make sure that you click on that link there, and it should take you to a page where you can enter your name, Bilbo Baggins for this, your homeroom teacher's name you'll choose, and then you need to make sure that you click yes and submit. Okay, so please make sure that you are doing that every single day. Thank you.